thing we have in my messy floor. Most of this came from Michael's, except the only thing came from Party City were these lovely little lights. They pop up into balloons and you twist the bottom and that's how they're supposed to ignite. They are all white, which is wicked unfortunate, but I couldn't find anything and I didn't want to risk not having it in time for the thing. So I have a few creative ways of how I'm going to get these little guys to become different colors. Wait, so this is the first set. I did it!